What's kicking, everybody? Flavio here. Update on what's going on with my razors. I got the training wheels on, the two yellow ones for my kids. I got them some helmets. My bike is all apart right now. Well, not all apart, but almost all apart. My wheels and stuff. Pulled out the motor. I just cut the chain guard tabs off the bike, the frame here. Oh, bike's upside down. I cut the chain guard tabs off here. I ordered the Electro and Company 72 volt kit minus the battery. I also got the rear sprocket. I also have a lift kit to put in here, the springs, to jack it up almost 2 inches, and I also have the bigger shock coming in. I'm still waiting on everything to come in. I'm just tearing down the bike. I'm probably going to paint the frame over. I'm thinking about going maybe all silver. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope these come out easy. They're still springy. That's nice. I got the lift kit for it. The springs. So I'll probably do another update once I get the frame painted, so you can check that out. Peace.